Okay, good night everyone. So, you know, sometimes when it's loose week and you don't have eggs, or you don't have milk. So this is something known as a wacky cake. It's usually made, it doesn't have dairy in it. There's no milk, there's no egg. So I used to call it the loose week cake because it has very limited amount of ingredients that is used to make them. So this is made from, it contains flour, sugar, vanilla, what else? Vinegar, baking soda. So what causes it to rise is the reaction between baking soda and vinegar. So this contains 3 cups of flour mixed with 2 cups of sugar, mixed with 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you mix them all together in a bowl, and then you dig make 3 wells in the center. In one well, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. In another well, add half cup of oil, and in another well, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now the trick is that when you mix them all together with 2 cups of water, the vinegar reacts with baking soda, and that causes the reaction which produces carbon dioxide and causes this cake to rise. So you don't really need egg, you don't really need milk to make it rise. So take a look. This is the wacky cake that I made tonight. The wacky chocolate cake. My loose week wacky chocolate cake. So moist and decadent. See? It's got some bits of coconut, shredded, desiccated coconut in it. Some chocolate sprinkles to add on this flavor. Okay. Thank you. Bye.